Hello everyone, so can you enjoy Amazon Music for free, a freemium version kind of as Spotify? So turns out you can do that on musicamazon.com, only on their web version, not on desktop version. If you just sign in there with your Amazon account, even if it's not tied to any Amazon Music subscription, you will be able to go here and just listen all songs. But of course, there will be ads, and you won't be able to move along the song. So if you start listening, you just want to move to the 30 seconds ahead, you won't be able to do that. But then you can go to your Amazon Music settings, and as you can see, there is a free version of Amazon Music. And I'm currently listening it, and I'm not on Amazon Music trial anything, and I'm not a Prime Music member. So there you have it. That's just basically how it works.